Yeah, it's actually
That's
pushing
good.
away from you because this one's backwards.
Oh, that's helpful. What is?
Yeah.
It's
And then
not
zoom in
drunk
there, bubble. Keep going, keep going. Get that little stick kind of centered up and then zoom in a little more. And Ed, you can zoom in too, please.
Yeah, coming in with you.
Thank you.
There
Nice,
it is.
I got
Went
it.
in. Let's watch it.
Okay, come wide, please, Ed.
Coming out.
And Avery, you can give me front porch again.
I see
Sediment
it. It went
and
in.
sample.
Yeah.
So that's the same
Okay,
sample, right?
0% on the suction, please.
Yeah, same sample.
Yeah, it was the same piece.
Bubble on preset 1.
There's a black coral.
And then
So is that enough?
you can rotate the slurp jars to flush again.
Well, wait, hold on. Do you want,
That should be fine.
that's enough? That's enough of it?
That's enough?
Okay.
Science row? Okay, that's enough.
All right, so let's get...
Yeah, so probably forward, but either way, doesn't matter. Okay, we're
6,
settled
7.
stationary.
And then let's
Flush.
take some zooms while we're
The
while we're
heck
here.
is in flush?
I want to move that a little more,
Looks
actually.
like it has a lot of tentacles.
Yeah, there's something in flush. I have
That's
no
a
idea what
squid.
that is. Oh, he swam in there.
We
Yeah.
have a squid?
Yeah. Or a squid specimen.
Oh,
That was on the descent.
Yeah,
Went
this is
in
the
the
first
flush?
100
Yeah.
meters.
oh.
Self-sampled.
Self-sampled, just flew into the, or swam into the
Can
hose.
you image this thing now?
Go ahead.
Yeah. I'm going to start all the way in.
No, you're good.
There's the base.
The non-peduncle base.
And I'm going to tip up here.
Yeah, I'll let you drive it.
Oh,
Polyps
Closed
all
up now.
closed.
Yeah.
retracted downward.
Oh, that's good to know.
There's the purple thing in the background.
And the polyps are out on the purple thing now.
What was the sample number on that? Was that 11?
That was 11.
I'm back to bubble, or do you want PC1 out on SAT3 ammo?
Say again?
You want high pack survey or hook bubble streaming? Your preference?
Survey
This
is
one a
fine.
4?
Survey, aye.
Okay, are we finished here?
Yep.
We get moving again?
Yeah, well, so we'll kind of slide north-northeast along the contour, between those two contours, towards 192511.
Okay. So you want to go this way?
Yeah.
Right.
And then we'll go up towards waypoint 3, I think it is, from there.
Roger.
What's in the back there? Is that a tipped over glass sponge?
Let's find
Yeah, I
out then.
saw
To the
that.
left of those rocks? Looks like a tusk.
Straight ahead. Probably directly above lasers now.
Eh.
Looks like a bridge arch or something.
Ready for a move?
Betcha.
Bridge, nav. 1 step, 30 meters, bearing 025.
Oh no. I sat on
Thanks.
my cookie. We
What
all
is
melted
that?
down.
Oh, man.
It's very flat, that's for
There's
sure.
cookies.
Zoom in, please, Ed.
It's glass
Did
spongy.
you take a cache of cookies?
Well, they didn't take credit.
That's not the right spelling
No
of
idea.
cache.
Oh. It's
Oh,
not the right
going
spelling
in.
of credit either. Ah.
Just a sponge that
Because
fell
I
over.
didn't see any cookies out. I can't help but notice that you keep
Kinda
producing
looks like a-
cookies from your pocket.
Like dense, like a,
Yeah, it used to be it's a dead sponge, I guess.
yeah.
I don't want to talk about it. Take this conversation offline.
Yeah.
You guys-
Okay.
That was pretty cool.
Sorry? Yeah, it looked like it.
Look at this thing. I kind of see it in Argus here. I want to take a look at it. There's a one little spot of sand ripples.
Yeah,
Why is that?
Current.
the currents like to flow down
Oh,
there.
speaking of things that like currents.
That looks like what was lying dead in the
Yep.
sediment. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a nice little outcropping.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Should we image this outcropping?
Several types of corals and sponges. Something encrusting on the
Is
rocks.
that a mushroom coral down there, the red one?
Yeah.
I've been seeing a lot of these when we get to the top of a rise where it kind of flattens out on the
Yeah, and
It's
then
the
uphill
very
side.
fine ones down
And
here.
then there's
Oh,
a
yeah.
boulder thing. Kind of oh, that's a nice little, I haven't seen
Yeah,
that
let's
one
kind
before,
of-
that fine one.
Swivel around here and get a nice head-on view of it.
This is a neat feature too that's
Lot of
clearly
action.
fallen from somewhere if you're looking at Argus view.
We had a cool one earlier that was a rock like this, but
Oh,
it was
there's a
hollowed
channel
out in the
through it.
center, and all this stuff was
Whoa.
kind of using it as a funnel.
Oh,
You see
cool.
the channel through this one?
Yeah.
It's like a
How
lizard's
many
lungs.
Niskins have we fired?
Just one.
I think just one, number 7.
Might be worth getting one here.
You want
was
to do
like-
it?
Yeah.
How
Okay.
strong is the
Several
current? Do we want to
species
be
here.
down current of the to get the Niskin?
Probably.
Are we
well,
positive we're gonna Niskin? Because I can stop the ship.
Yeah, we'll need to stop
Yeah,
the
let's
ship.
stop here.
Okay.
Bridge nav. Hold position. Thank you.
You can really, in addition to the ripples, you can see where the current's coming because of all the rubble that's been sort of channeled around the rocks in Argus view.
Hmm.
That's cool.
Okay, so I'm going to line the Niskins up with that area.
It's like a mandala or whatever they call those things.
Yeah.
Argus view. I'm just going to hold position here. Does that seem okay to you guys, Science?
Yeah. You mean for getting the water sample here?
Yeah, is that all right?
Yeah, I think the current's flowing past them.
Yeah.
Okay, can I get bubble on preset 6, please?
Do you have porch on it? Looks like it.
Yeah.
Am I rack back?
You're rack back. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
confirming.
Just a little defensive.
Absolutely. Camera 8, or sorry, Niskin 8.
Niskin 8, I.
And can you tip the bubble to the left a little bit? So with your joystick. I was trying to look up at those, that yellow loop.
It's these
So
things, Avery, if you
up
look
and to
over
the
here.
right. Keep going up, keep going right. So you see that, yeah, I see the cache of loops here.
Oh, second
Yeah,
use
exactly.
of cache.
Second cache use.
I got eyes on it.
Okay.
So
No, you're good
Science,
there, thanks.
whenever you have a minute, just to give some context for the people watching at home,
Yeah.
why are we choosing this high diversity spot to take a water sample specifically?
Because it's high diversity, so we can get a lot of bang for the buck. Maybe gets DNA from several different species.
All right, pulling it now.
I know we went over it on the previous watch, but I know there's some new people streaming live.
Yeah, it'll help
How would
add
that
to
go?
our database of DNA in the deep ocean
Huh.
creatures. And
I think
We're
it's
gonna-
rigged wrong.
Nothing yet.
Yeah, it doesn't appear to.
Yeah, I'm going to try a different Niskin. Let's say Niskin 8 does not work.
Okay.
Can you make a log of that data, that Niskin 8 is not functioning?
Got it, thank you.
Thank you. Niskin 7 will work just
Triggered.
fine.
Oh, we have a sample,
Good.
or 7 is taken.
9
Yeah.
went, yes.
We just fired 9.
Oh.
Fired 9. Untangle, please.
all right, so we got a sample there. We'll swivel back around. It looks like there's a Chrysogorgia here that we'd be interested in sampling.
Which one's that?
So let's kind of pivot around so that they're facing us. And there's a delicate one down to the lower left below the purple.
Below the purple.
Yeah.
To the right of the glass sponge. Yeah.
Where are we looking?
Lasers hit it right now. There's
I see it there.
Yep.
Okay.
blends in really well.
Please, yeah, front porch. Thank you.
There's a lot going on in this rock.
Yeah.
We should just collect the whole thing for Bob's aquarium.
Yeah, we're right about where the lasers are, almost.
I see
Yeah.
him there, yeah. Ooh, this is tangly.
Oh.
Yikes.
Light bar sample collection.
Yeah. All right, I gotta back away.
Back off a little.
Yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh.
I can see it in Argus. I can give you a zoom if you want.
Yeah, let me just try it again. Once again. Sure, can you push on an Argus a little bit, please?
Yeah,
Ed?
coming in Argus.
Avery, you might need to tip down a little bit.
And I'm going to turn your brightness down so you get more little detail out of that rock, maybe.
Thank you. On Argus Zeus, which is on the GUI, using the mouse.
The big down button.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
Yeah, perfect.
That's super helpful. Looks like you can almost nestle into that little outcrop.
Oof.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really tangly there. It's a big light bar. Yeah, man.
Trouble settling down there.
Trouble settling
The
down with
light bar is hitting the top.
Uh-huh. Well, yeah, if it's ungainly, we can just image it. And
I'll try it one more time over here.
Yeah.
Back away like this. I don't know if I'll be able to reach it, but give it a shot. Might be okay.
what do you think? Just like
messier.
snip
Alright,
the upper half.
Coming out on Argus.
Okay, and you can go in on Hercules.
Looks like there'd be a small
bad.
piece next to the left of the Anthomastus too, but I think
Oh,
I
yeah.
think you're right about snipping the bigger one.
Yeah.
Coming in on Hercules.
So
Yeah.
if you can reach it, Trevor, just like snip the upper half of it.
We're looking for the
The white one?
This
left
or
or
the-
right?
to the left. Yeah.
The baby's breath one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Baby's breath. Good
Bottle
description.
brush.
And where you like to put that? Bio box or surf jar?
Let's try BioBox. Might be
Roger.
less destructive.
Starboard side?
What do you say,
We
Data?
have starboard, forward, any of the smaller forward ones.
Alpha Bravo
A.
Charlie. Okay,
Yes.
come full wide, please, Ed.
Yep.
I'm going to have to medium resettle down.
And that baby's breath descriptor is I stole that
try
from Avery's
this.
presentation. It's not my term.
Ah,
Credit where credit due.
Is that going to work? Thanks for the help, Rennie.
yeah, I'm just firing a laser in the case.
Good thinking.
Yep.
Yeah. Gotta test your equipment. Okay, it looks like my starboard vertical is secure, and I'm relatively stable. Sure, I'm making a storm, though.
Yeah.
I wonder if this is going to blow that away when we snip
Hopefully
it.
it's got
Yeah.
enough rubber to not.
Let me come in with you?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Stand with the wrist.
Do we want a good shot of it? Let's do that before we.
We did that.
We did it.
Yeah.
Come out just a little bit.
I was firing a laser in the case.
Yeah, you sure were doing that. It's a big help. All right, Ed, could you zoom in a little more? How about right?
Sure is.
Just kidding. Faked you out.
There you go.
Time to roll.
Come on, baby.
Nice.
Nice.
That's a good
Well
cut.
done.
Gorgeous.
Take them
Stay there.
full double wide.
Full double wide.
Avery, can I get bubble on 4?
It seems awful floaty for a starboard.
What?
Yeah. I've secured the thrusters, but
Yeah.
and then
We're gonna have
stand
to-
by, be ready, Avery, for the starboard salvo.
Port
I'll let you know
bow.
when. Good for that now.
You can do some opportunistic zooming while you're working on
Sure.
that side of the vehicle.
All right, Avery, next one would be the starboard bio box. You can bump that open. Or sorry, sample tray.
Still have it. Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Nice.
You need to attach a weight to it.
Yeah.
You got any more out, or is that all full out, Avery? It's full out? Okay, thanks.
Is that C, Charlie?
Nothing yet.
Nothing to see here.
Thanks, Rennie.
Get down there.
Welcome. You're busy. I figure I'll take care of it.
Good on ya. Oh,
Very floaty.
It wants to float away.
It might have had some moment to sink. Yeah, just like hover there like that. Yeah.
Nope.
There it is. It's sinking.
Go.
It was sinking.
my jaw got tangled though.
Yeah.
Work with me, Coral.
There it goes.
Nice.
Okay,
you go.
close that
Right.
box, please.
Woo!
Super.
Well, this
That
box has
was
been
sample
closing very
13.
slow for everybody.
Yeah.
Made it.
Is sample 013?
Correct.
Yeah, it's my lucky number.
013?
Sure, I'll
13,
take the
yeah.
leading 0.
013.
Very
My
scientific.
birthday. The leading 0.
I was born
Not
on
the
8.
13.
I was born on 8/013.
Yeah, I was born on 7-0. Just the leading 0.
Can I please get
Can I have a name at the
forward or
Coral?
normal, I should say? Normal.
Was that a Chrysogorgia? What was
Thank you.
that?
Chrysogorgia.
And then bubble on preset 1. Cool. Okay, are we done in this zone?
And
You want to
I'm
do more imaging?
No,
Just to yeah, image a little bit
Chrysogorgia, I think.
further to the right. There's some
Chrysogorgia?
interesting animals
Is it
around the
Chrysogorgia?
side.
Chryso.
Chryso.
Okay, I had it right.
Okay, I'm going to come off and do some more imaging for you, Emil.
Thank you. I think I saw a plump sea star along out on the right side. There it is. Is that a bamboo up there?
What are they?
Good
Yeah.
question.
Oh yeah, look at that sea star. He's like all suspended, like,
Yeah.
that's pretty cool.
Shrimp there perched on the right side.
First sea star base jump attempt.
It'll take him 10 years to fall.
Yeah. In this current,
Everything happens slow in the deep ocean.
in this economy.
There's a Brazingid in the back there, that purple one.
Yeah.
Or Brazingid, depending on.
Depending on what you're
Preference.
feeling at that
Brazingid.
time of day.
Wow, this is a really cool boulder.
It's
Yeah.
really neat.
Yeah.
I really like all the
Oh,
channels.
there's some
through it.
stuff over there to the right.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
We'll
yeah.
get there.
Little
Look at
oasis.
Argosy. It's so
Is that a sea
tangly.
star
So cool.
on the right side, purple?
Yep, Brazingid.
No, which one are you talking about?
The purple ones? Well, they're feather stars, so. Not.
Yes.
This isn't
Not
making
actual
any
like
sense.
brittle
Yeah.
sea stars.
Yeah.
Here we go.
There's a nice stack of coral and crinoids.
Got a lot going on.
Too much.
It's the neighborhood bar.
3 green, 3 green.
Oh,
All
what do we
right.
have back there? That's a nice one.
What are you looking at,
Yeah.
man?
What's that? Yeah.
Is that just
Uh,
shadow or is it a rat?
Could you zoom in on that?
Yeah, I
please, Ed?
sure
Oh,
can.
we got a big one back there.
Stand by.
Oh, it's just, yeah, it just twisted around. No big deal. Come wide, please.
Wide?
Yeah, it's
Yep.
all good. Just look weird.
It'd be funny if we recovered there was an extra weight on there.
Yeah, how do you pick them up?
All right, I think we can keep moving.
Okay. I'm ready for steps when you are ready.
Okay. Not ready yet. All right, I think I'm ready now.
Okay, good thinking.
Bridge nav. Can we have one step 30 meters bearing 027? Thank you. You gotta keep that guy on his toes up there, you know?
Yeah.
Give him a couple different degrees here and there.
Yeah. Next move.
I know he's listening too.
Do the Brian Kennedy thing.
What's that?
You asked for the heading and reciprocal and the speed in millinots.
I get the reciprocal of
Looks like you have currents from several directions here.
That's
And a holothorian.
Holothorian from several directions.
So it could be why that rock is popular. You got good flow.
Oh yeah, I got to do this. Don't forget to do that.
There seems to be a little trail along the sediment.
Yeah, I think that was probably from a sea cucumber, perhaps, or
Oh, I see
type
that.
of holothorian.
Yep.
Big trail.
Huh.
We can head them off at the pass.
Oh, he split up. Look at, he split up.
Yeah. Yeah, they did. Or they did the Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid routine.
Tina says more probably an urchin trail. Interesting.
Oh, really? Good to know.
Didn't we see an urchin on the move yesterday?
Yeah, that big
Yeah.
one. That was, oh yeah, it was yesterday, wasn't
There's like
it?
Really
coral and a
Jeez.
shrimp back there, top left.
You want to look at them?
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Sure.
Sure.
Or is it just a stocked crinoid?
Stock
Could
shrimp.
be. Oh yeah.
There is a little
Still coral there.
coral there on the right.
Oh yeah.
Huh.
Oh, and one in the back.
This is not the one you were looking at?
That coral was, yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's also one behind it now.
There's just so many.
Corals.
I can't even
everywhere.
point them all out, you know.
Yeah.
Looks kind of.
I like this fluffy looking one off to the right that you pointed out, Rennie.
Thank you.
It's a good one.
Looks a little primnoidy. Ooh. The sea pen. Whoa.
It's a long one. Yeah.
Imagine trying to write with that. You'd like poke your eye out.
Mm-hmm.
We're coming up to all sorts of good stuff here. This is
Yeah.
a good zone.
Ooh. Rhodogorgia.
Rhodogorgia.
Everyone's favorite.
Yeah.
Not everyone's favorite, but
That's not my favorite.
sorry.
Yeah. Don't speak for everyone.
Yeah.
What is the depth here?
Don't go putting coral in his
Depth is
mouth.
1517 meters.
157.
1517.
Ooh, purple thing on the rock. Top
Purple thing.
left.
Top left. Purple thing.
You and your technical terms.
Yeah.
Is it
Purple
squishy?
squishy.
Purple
Yeah.
squishy.
That looks like a more mature version of what we looked at earlier.
Extra spice. De-spice this and then please zoom.
Yeah, came snapping in here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Valet style.
cool. That is-
Valet style.
Is it a baby Victor Gorgia, or is it
Could
something
be.
else?
That's what Tina had mentioned the last time we zoomed in.
This
It's the
crust
only
is really
purple one I
bumpy,
know, so it's
too.
pretty easy to just
Holy
throw out
smokes.
there.
That's gorgeous.
There's a brittle star on that thing.
A little.
Oh, a little micro brittle.
Yeah.
Cool.
Collect them all and trade with friends. That's a tiny one.
All right, come on.
Shout out to the West Central Valley Middle School that's tuning in today. They just wrote in.
From where? The West Central Valley?
From Iowa.
Whoa.
Big
Welcome to the
Iridigorgia
deep
up
sea.
there.
Yeah, I can't even imagine how far away we are from Iowa
Yeah.
right now.
We got several up ahead there.
Yep, straight ahead.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, a lot of that is north. We are going 025, so you still might have the leash for it as we go. I'm going to call in another 025.
Yeah, that sounds
All
good.
right. What about
Bridge
027?
now. One more step, 30 meters, 027. Thank you.
I can feel how happy you are.
Samantha,
very
have you ever
happy.
been to Iowa?
I have not.
Have you ever been to Chile?
Yes.
Have you ever been to Germany?
I think it's been on watch a long time.
Oh,
I know.
actually, I lied. I have been to Iowa.
Wait, you have?
Yeah, we went through
Uh,
Amana.
On a road trip or something?
Yeah, we were driving from Chicago to
Thought that was in
California.
Cuba.
Okay. I was
Amana
hoping
is
I-
where Amana Colonies. It's where the Whirlpool
Yeah.
washers are still made. It was very cool, actually.
Cool.
Yeah, Iowa was great. Any other questions, Ed?
No, you missed my irony exercise.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what the three of those things
Yeah.
are. I don't
Well,
know.
no, I was just going to keep going with everywhere I knew she had been. It was not Iowa.
Headed you off at the pass.
Much like the
Nice
urchin.
callback.
Much like it. How many states have you been to, everybody? Wow.
How many provinces?
How many provinces? Yeah.
You reacted before we got to say.
1,
Yeah,
2,
I've been to
3,
10 provinces
4.
and
I
one
think I've
territory.
been to 5
5 states?
provinces.
This might be another one of those.
The big,
Strange big
the big
crinoids.
ones?
Yeah. I think if it is, what do you think? Is that the same one, Sam?
Go ahead and zoom in.
Yep.
It looks kind of like it.
Let's try to sample that one.
Roger.
Holding there.
If
You want to sample it?
Yeah, are you able to stop here?
Sure. Come wide, please.
Deluxe wide.
You want to hold?
Oh, was that on the list? Wow.
We
Well,
doing
there's
it?
a lot of interest.
Cool.
sampling,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of in your
Bridge
light
now.
pool.
That's a big one.
Let's see if we can get it from the
Hold
base.
position. Thank you.
You want to sample the whole shebang?
Well, would it fit?
I wonder if the rock is loose.
That'd be pretty neat.
That'd
hold my
make it
breath on
easy,
that.
wouldn't it?
That would be worth a try.
Sure thing.
I doubt it. Doesn't look it, but
No, it
knows?
doesn't. But you never know.
we got a crowbar.
I've seen that work once.
turn Herc upside down.
Yeah.
We have
Jack
two
up
of
Herc
the
so we can change
forward
its tire.
starboard bio boxes open.
How about anything a little bigger?
Maybe it's
The
Wanna
forward
come in?
bio
Forward?
box.
What's in
B?
there right now? A rock?
I'll stay wide for now. Just want to poke the
Yeah,
rock.
copy.
if the rock doesn't budge, let's just snip it.
Rock does not budge.
All right, let's just snip one of
Yeah.
those branches.
Basalt
One of the
rock.
branches.
B.
Oh,
Not the whole works.
Well, let's see here.
If we're doing the branch, I recommend a slurp. If we're doing the whole thing, I recommend a bio box.
Those are good recommendations.
yeah, you're an
I
excellent
concur.
waiter. Coral
Yeah, let's
sommelier.
just.
Waiter, there's a stalk in my suit.
Oh,
Let's take the entire head.
Soup
Yeah,
stock.
let's just snip the stalk, so that we
Stock
get the
snip.
whole head.
Stock snip eye.
we want to make sure we get imagery of the stem before.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
let's
let's
take
do
all
the imagery.
these stuff.
Go ahead.
Oop.
Beep, beep.
Wow.
Look at that shake.
Rather not.
Okay.
You want
Right.
to base it all, or are we good?
That's part of this. That's part of this organism
go.
that we're.
Penny.
And then up here is also more part of it.
It's
at the gradient
trembling
color
and
change.
fear.
Yeah, it is. You can see
There's-
it's darker down here, and then it gets lighter.
Yeah.
Do you want to zoom in on the top bits at all?
Yeah, let's
Okay,
Let's-
bumping up.
go up.
Hello.
Now this is part of the top bit.
Oh, okay.
And you can see these things.
Yeah, what are those called?
They're present on this organism. They're on. They're on. And then they have little ones that go off of it.
Fractal.
Siri.
Fractal.
Okay, once you got what you need, let's come wide and sample it.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe one more zoom on the base.
On the base.
On the base.
So now we're back down to the bottom portion of this organism. This is a rock. It's not part of it.
Yeah.
Where's the line between organism and rock?
Philosophically or literally right in this instance?
Hold on just a sec.
Could you come up on your delta, please? Maybe to 23? 24 or something?
Of the head. Yeah. Okay.
Like the whole thing, maybe,
So-
while we're sitting there?
Sure.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, if that'll we'll fit that in the bio box.
Okay, forward bio boxes, A and B, are they open?
B would be more open, just has a rock in there.
More open in B. Okay, let's do that. Is that okay?
Sounds good.
Okay.
The forwards have A and B.
So about halfway up.
I thought they were just port and starboard.
Ooh, maybe. They might be just port and starboard.
Wait, the forward one, the tool?
Tool tray, yeah.
Is that where this is going?
Is that where this is going?
Tool port has a acorn, worm, and a rock in it.
And
Or
then
no,
starboard
the
one's just
coral.
Starboard.
Oh yeah, starboard
We
has
could-
just a basalt rock in it, but
Yeah.
Starboard's just a rock, so yeah, that's where we're going.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Forward bio box,
Maybe
starboard
what about
container.
putting it in with the acorn worm so that if we had more rocks, we'd put it in with the rock instead of crushing.
And the rocks mix up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not impossible, but to
It's
identify
improbable.
them, but it,
You can put it in with the rock. Just don't want to put anything heavy in with the acorn
How
worm.
close do you want me to get to the base here? As close as I can?
That's okay. Yeah.
That's okay there? Okay.
Nice.
Okay, come full super extra wide, please.
That's deluxe wide. Boy, it's nice to have that porch light back.
Yeah, it's a lot better. Okay, Avery, can you please put out the tool tray? Other one. Oh. No. Okay, close that really quick. Sample tray in, all the way in.
Yeah.
Uh-huh, okay.
Okay, that's in. Now tool tray out, please.
Oh, so much nicer.
Where did our ribbon, our acorn worm go?
I think it's under that coral, but
It's
it
floated.
also, when we opened
Oops.
it last time, it seemed to me like a lot of stuff flew out, but I was in
Looks
the
like that.
minority.
I think the acorn worm's buried in sediment there.
Just dusting off this rock sample for them.
Yeah, I gotta make sure they stay clean.
If you need to snip a little bit more of the stem to make it fit, that'd be okay.
Oh, it'll go. I say with confidence that I don't have. Come on. There we go. Okay, tool tray in, please.
There it goes. Nice.
And that was sample 014.
Roger that. Can you not move yet?
Roger, not moving.
Let me redo a reset, but let me first take care of this.
Sounds good.
NA114, sample 014.
We can turn off the particle enhancer too.
Particles unenhanced. Okay. Aside from your stuff, I think I'm good to go.
Just give me a second.
No problem. I'm out of autos.
You're out of autos. Okay, I'm resetting.
Okay.
It's minor. Okay, yeah, we're good there. We get to pick up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Head on up.
Moving along.
1925.
So you're going 027?
Yes, we will.
Okay.
It's been a fruitful direction so far.
Bridge now. 1 step, 30 meters, 027. Thank you.
So someone at home is asking about what current is actually influencing the diversity here in the dive site.
Yeah, I don't know of any strong steady currents at this depth, but so very possibly tidal currents interacting with the slope, generating internal waves. That's one possibility. We're a bit too deep for the equatorial undercurrent.
Is that a Iridogorgia back there?
Thank you.
Where are you looking?
Just left
the
of the
distance,
beams.
yeah.
Oh, like above the lasers now?
Yeah,
don't-
it's way in the distance.
It's hard to say at
No.
this distance.
I think that's what it is.
You go there.
Oh, it is. Good eyes.
But there seems to be quite a few coral back here.
This
Nice.
bottle brush one you're looking at?
Yeah, that was the one, but there's lots here.
All sorts of good stuff here. Okay, you can come back down to regular delta there, Avery.
Barnacle? Something to the left there? That's a
To
weird.
the left. Oh, I see it there, yeah.
So it's just a
Below
It's like
the
an old base.
good. Oh, that could be it.
yeah.
Let's find out.
I like your thinking.
It's pretty wide though.
It would have been a big
Would have been
thing.
a big one.
Crikey.
Crikey.
Okay, zoom in, please.
Hi.
Yerp.
Base or barnacle? Base. Okay, come wide. Thank you.
That was my favorite board game growing up.
What's that?
Base or barnacle.
Did you do the enhanced edition?
Glad Rennie laughed at that one.
Which team did you normally play on?
That was usually base.
I usually pick barnacle. Look at this squishy looking thing. Oh,
That could be a.
some kind
Oh.
of gorgia.
Oh,
Wow.
hello.
Is it? No, it's not purple enough. Is it? No.
Go ahead and zoom, please.
Chryso?
Yeah.
That one's cool.
There's a
Is it a Victor
weird,
Gorgia?
one of those fish.
It might be a
behind there.
Victor Gorgia.
Sorry.
Whoa.
Okay, scientists ashore. Or
Yeah.
scientists in the lounge.
I
Help
think
us out.
they were saying that this is well understood and sampled, if I remember correctly.
Okay.
but I
Well,
could
it's
be wrong.
purple, right?
Yeah.
I'd say that's purple.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the only one I know of that is Victor Gorgia.
And I know that when we talked to our scientist who has been in the lounge, a bunch of people have been saying that their Amazon devices are waking up.
Huh.
Okay, come wide, please.
Coming out.
There's another squishy looking thing over
There's
off
a
to the
fish
right, too.
up behind us, too.
Bridge snap.
And then
Oh,
we
yeah.
got one of the brain
Oh, yeah.
Holothorians
Let's,
over here.
Let's take a look at that fish.
The fish.
The fish.
We can add one more step. Thank you.
Is that a big holothurian on the right?
It looks like it, yeah.
Well,
We'll
it's
come
a
back to that.
brain Holothorian.
Let's go for
Ready?
this fish, please.
Yeah,
Yep.
the Holothurians don't move as
I know
fast.
Gina wants the Holothorian.
Ooh. This one's
We've
got a
imaged these guys,
weird
too.
dorsal.
And a
Yeah.
weird nose.
This one actually looks pregnant, maybe?
That's
Couldn't tell. It was
see-through nose.
Yeah, we've been
That's
seeing
a
these guys.
halosaur.
Halosaur.
Thank
Named
you,
Rex.
Alexis.
Thank you, voice from the sky. There's another purple one in the back there.
Yeah.
Chrysogorgia there.
Okay, it's gorgeous.
Let 'em go.
Where are you going,
And
buddy?
Coming out.
Okay.
Gina, you want to see a Holothorian?
Sure.
I'll go find him again. There he is.
Oh yeah, he's big.
That's a big one.
Whoa.
The-
Golly.
Looks like a crawling brain when you zoom in on him.
Well, then we've got to zoom, don't
Yeah, go ahead, Ed. I'm going to move around him. Whoops.
Is it
Oy. I'm going to do something anyway. He's recently made a little pile.
Looks like he might be getting ready to give us a present.
That'd be cool.
I've seen enough of that.
Doesn't take much for Rennie to get excited.
Well, like I said, I played bases and barnacles growing up, so there's not a high expectation.
Oh, no.
All right, I got to move along. Sorry.
Yeah,
Timber.
sorry, buddy.
Tangled up.
we?
Please.
Gave him a little lift.
Yeah. He
The
was
left or
headed
is it
towards the
Uber?
rocks anyway. Now he's headed down slope. Whoops, sorry. Just zoomed in a little too much. There we go.
So if I go this way more, I'm going to go down slope. I
Right.
don't want to go that way.
I'm gonna turn
I'm going to get
around.
out of the rhubarb. and
Yep.
Go over to the right.
Swing around. We want to.
Out of the rhubarb. Is that a phrase?
Deep in the rhubarb.
Deep in the rhubarb. Never have heard that before.
It's like deep in the cabbage.
Well, that's also not helping me because I haven't heard that one either.
Really? Oh. We haven't been on watch much, have we?
No, not since the incident.
I think deep in the cabbage comes. I've never heard it anywhere older than Happy Gilmore, but it might have been somewhere before that. I don't know where rhubarb comes from.
Chart this joke out.
Oh yeah, plan it out.
The
All
whole
right.
history of it. Yeah, we are moving 027.
Roger that.
Coming to the end of another move.
We're
Would
gonna
you
go
like
over
me
here.
to call another one in or just hold until you get sorted?
I think I'm sorted.
Okay.
It's another trail.
Bridge nav.
So we're getting some
That's good, thank you.
agreement among the scientists ashore and Alexis that the purple coral could have been a plexaurid.
Plexaurid.
Is that different than Vector Gorgia? What do you call it?
Victor Gorgia.
Victor Gorgia. Is it different?
I'm guessing if they're saying it's something else.
Right.
Plexor.
They're
Plexaurid?
actually-
Is that what they?
Plexaurid? Yeah, they're in different families, Alexis says.
Cool. They look very
There's
similar.
urchin again. He's come a long
They
way
do.
in 12
Yeah.
hours.
I'm surprised he's able to keep up. It's
I
impressive.
know. He's trucking. When we're not looking, he just scoots.
Speaking of trucking, how are we
Headed
doing
us
for
off
distance
at the
coverage?
pass.
Well, we did a little zigzag, so. I don't want anyone to, you know. We've gone 300 meters, and we're 1.5 hours into the watch.
That's a little behind schedule, but it's not bad.
It's
Not bad. But and we're going to go up a steep slope here. I
Yeah.
think it'll be interesting.
Yeah, so Emil, do you want to go, when we get here, do you want to go up this slope?
Yeah,
or do
yeah,
you
let's
want,
do
okay,
that.
so not come out here. I'll erase that one.
Get rid of it.
Get rid of it. Come up here. To there. Okay.
Was it you guys that was trying to get the HiPack web server going, or was that Dwight?
Oh, I've been looking at it.
Okay.
It's good to have.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back there
It
and take a
seems
look.
to
I
lock
just-
up once in a while.
Yeah, I heard about it, but I haven't physically seen it yet.
Oh, little jelly. Scooting across from the left.
Yeah, little tiny guy.
Oh, wow.
Looks like a fetal heartbeat.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Where is it? Oh, I know. I'll
It's
point
right
right
under
at the
the
screen you're
lasers.
already looking at and make a bloop bloop sound.
What is that?
Looks like a jelly.
Jelly.
Yeah.
That is funky.
Just don't say
So
zoom.
cool.
Can we get a zoom on that?
In HiPack.
Dead ahead, something. Squishy or crunchy? Crunchy?
I think squishy. Oh,
I think crunchy.
squunchy. Zoom in, please, Ed.
Chewy
Wow.
outside with a crunchy middle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good thinking. Yeah. How brittle are brittle stars?
Not very.
Okay.
The DC ones seem to be a little hardier,
What?
but ones that you'll find closer to shore in the subtitle can be really fragile. Like as soon as you touch them, their arms will fall off.
Oh, wow. Is that a defense mechanism or is that something else?
Yeah, same way that lizards drop their tails. They can get away and regrow them.
Do you know how long it takes them?
That's a good question. Probably a few weeks, couple months. Depends on probably how much they're eating or what conditions are like.
Yeah, how much stress there is around.
Yeah, exactly. Ooh, what's that big fluffy one right here?
The left.
Is it on a stalk?
On
Yeah,
the-
I thought
bottom
it was
left.
an umbellula,
Whoop.
but it's not that. Bottom
Bottom
left.
Bottom left.
So back
Uh,
up and you'll see
yeah.
it.
Ooh, backing up.
Beep,
Beep,
beep, beep.
beep.
There it is.
There it is. Ooh, it's stalked.
Huh.
This looks
What in the
intriguing.
Yeah.
Would you like to zoom on it?
Metallogorgia.
We'll take that as a yes. Let's go ahead, please.
Wow,
Very cool.
Ooh.
that's gorgeous.
What's the idea on this one?
Great question. Metallogorgia, says Alexis.
Metal Gorgia.
Metallogorgia.
Metallogorgia. That sounds much more elegant.
Named after the band.
Wow.
Alexis, do you say crinoid or crinoid?
I say crinoid.
Yeah, because Steve says crinoid.
Does he?
He's silly.
Yeah. I didn't know if it
Silly
was like a year
goose.
lab kind of thing, you know.
I can't believe I couldn't come up with a Metallogorgia.
There was
joke.
one, it was a Rathbanaster,
Rathbanaster.
Oh, yeah.
but I like calling it Rathbanister.
Angry
That's
Railing.
its
Oh, yeah.
street
There's
names.
another purple one.
Yeah.
Sounds
Bottom
like
right.
an evil person in a movie.
Yep.
Evil stairs. Okay, come in, please. Come in.
It's gorgeous.
Okay,
Wow.
here's our chance. Victoria Gorgia or Plexarid?
Can we get a little closer zoom?
Yeah.
Closer zoom, please. Yeah. It's a really thick stalk.
Wow.
That looks like Victor Gorgia.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Nice one, Randy. Okay, come wide, please. That was good. Really sharp at the end there. Nice job. Beautiful. I really like the shape of these rocks. They're really lumpy and rolly and...
Don't you just want to go walk on them? But we can't. We never can.
Nope, sure cannot. But I do. Yeah.
Huh.
You ever go up a cliff with the ROV and look at how fun it would be to rock climb?
Yeah, I do all the time. But you never can. We'll never be able to do that.
You're not allowed to.
Bridge, Nav. One more step. Thank you.
So that Metallogorgia apparently may have been Ophiocrius oedipus.
That's the brittle star. That
Just
was
kidding.
On the
It's the brittle star.
Yeah.
So remember that brittle star?
You said it with such confidence.
Well,
it
I-
really,
That was good.
I googled it thanks to Luke McCartan, who's writing it on Scientist Ashore, and the images that came up were all as associates. So I assumed it was the the coral and not the.
We just wanted to see if Alexis was still paying attention.
Yep.
yeah, it's all a test for Alexis. This whole.
Whole cruise.
I have to sleep at some point.
Nope.
That second word of that Latin name is a little interesting.
I wonder.
If it has any meaning.
So going back to those instances when we have other organisms that look like coral polyps and they're kind of colonizing a colony of coral, how can we tell the difference between the actual polyps and those polyp-like individuals? Like, for example, when there's like bryozoans growing on top or zooids.
Video zoom.
Also a good question. Stand by on that one.
Okay.
What is this?
It's bridging the
Something
gap.
used to be there.
Yeah. Like maybe it was a coral that had
Looks
two
like a base.
Two bases, yeah.
two bases.
That's wild. That's
Needed
really
more
cool.
stabilization.
Somebody
Maybe,
was
I don't
saying
know.
earlier that they had seen a SOI dive where there was a coral that had been knocked over and formed a second base.
That's cool. I didn't know they could do that. I guess there was still enough up in the water column that it could survive. Or something.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Or it just persevered.
Oh, there's
We
another
call that
purple.
pandering. Pandering to your base.
Base is.
Speaking of pandering, can we kind of pan right, pan around as while we're
Wag right?
What's this fluffy one? Right in the center. Another
Up
purple.
top?
We can get a quick
Yeah.
look at it, sure.
Or the purple?
Oh, looks similar.
If it's purple, it's known.
Go ahead and zoom quick, Ed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Metallica,
Zick.
Gorgia?
Victor Gorgia again.
Very gorgeous. Okay,
Wow.
come wide. I gotta go.
Gotta go. See ya.
Whee.
Hope you find your dad.
Oh, coral party over here too.
Wow.
Yeah, it's steep.
That was almost like a Chernoff wag right there.
Chernoff wag. What's a Chernoff
Yeah.
wag?
Where Josh is
Just
going
dance
along a
move.
slope, and then he whips to the left to look and see what's ahead of him,
Oh,
and then
yeah?
he whips
Oh,
back,
nice.
and I go from F1.7 to F32 in about 2 seconds.
Nice. The
Try
Chernoff
and
wag. I
Keep
like
up
that.
with the Chernoff wag.
That's gorgeous.
Nice shot. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Flyby.
That move is complete.
We can keep going, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. We've got a
Actually,
fish
I may
down
have
there.
to reassess.
Hello, fishy.
Bridge now.
It's kind of.
One step 30 meters, bearing 030.
Got a lot of boulders here.
Thank you. This rock is different on account of the slope.
It's definitely not the same one.
Do you want any of these rocks?
I think we're trying to do one per
Yeah.
watch.
We've got
and
3. Can
Oh,
we-
okay. I didn't know we had that many. These seem pick upable, so I thought
Yeah.
we had the moment, but there's only so many more watches left.
It looks a little bit like a
Whoa.
wall, doesn't it?
Wow.
Yes. Chernoff wag.
That's steep.
Wow, cool.
Where'd that come from?
What's Argus got coming up? Nothing.
Oh.
No,
It's
we're
almost
good on
like
Argus.
stairs.
It's like a cinder block wall.
Yeah, and it's just a little strip of it, too.
Huh.
We find
Yeah.
writing on it, I'm out of here.
Look at the pillar behind me, too, on Argus view.
Wow.
I'm
Something
gonna
on
wag
some-
around and look at that.
Yeah. Which way?
I'm going to port. First, I'm gonna bounce off it.
Butt cam. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This would be a good
Lot of
place
fun.
to pick up a rock and see if science wants it.
I'm gonna come back now. This might be interesting. Okay. This is cool. I'm a little ahead of Argus, so I got some time to
Yeah, you're all right.
examine this.
Oh. I've seen something like this before.
Okay, I'm gonna come back and check this out now. So we got this weird little pinnacle thing here.
Yeah.
Looks
Yeah.
like there's a lot of coral bases, but no corals.
Yeah,
I bet there are at the bottom.
Yep.
really cool.
Wonder
Argus
why.
here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Argus shot.
What's this little tiny coral on the top here? He's got a prime
A
real estate.
little engine that could.
Is that a
Zoom
mushroom?
in there, please.
Mushroom coral? Little tiny mushroom.
Mushroom.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, great Argus shot. Wow.
Tether delete.
All right,
Oh.
come wide, please.
Wide.
And we got the more.
Yeah,
flip
now you
action
can
over
see the
here.
structure of that pinnacle. It's kind of like a slab
It is like a slab, yeah.
rather than
It kind of goes this strike, follows these slabs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Funny how it's just this one stripe of it.
Yeah.
We need a geologist to tell us what's going on.
Oh, what's this?
Bamboo.
I can't remember the name of this one.
Is this the Isadilla? No.
Looks like a harp.
Those remind me of a menorah for some reason.
Yeah, a
guess that too,
candelabra.
yeah.
It's,
Oh, Isadilla. Perhaps? Isadilla?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like Isabella. It's a nice bamboo coral. Free of any associates, looks like.
Yeah,
That was a great
living the
shot.
dream.
This is a really great
Yeah.
drive around it. Good job,
Thanks,
Trevor.
Freddie. Thank you. I'm having a better day today.
It's a tunicate in the background there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's still there.
Hey Ed, is this your interpersonal ocular device?
The calibration here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's mine.
Been a lot of fun.
I haven't tested the gain on that one yet.
You know that device was dropping out?
No. Oh yeah, I heard.
We've solved that, or I guess Ed solved it.
Yeah, I heard rumors.
That was Jeff and I.
Yeah, okay. It's good.
Does that, so that column that we were looking at, that interesting
Yep.
strike, would that take us up towards?
We're actually very close to it. I would like to be
Farther away?
farther away.
Oh,
So
Okay,
if
I'll
you
go
could-
up slope and let's come up on Argus's winch.
Yes.
Where's your sense of adventure, Rennie?
Well,
Yeah, I was just wondering if we could follow it up.
follow it up we can.
Yep.
That would be great. So that move is just about complete there.
Roger that. I'll go back towards it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, we were never
We're-
less than 12
No, we
meters
were
there.
always safe,
Wow.
but we were around 10 away from it on that mezzo.
So this is expected to be about a 28-hour dive. Someone was asking earlier, what's our record in terms of our longest dive ever on the Even Nautilus?
Argus only was, what did we get, 100?
152, I
25.
think. Oh, 125.
Yeah.
Wow.
But that Hercules is somewhere around 73 hours.
Yeah, I remember like a 72-hour dive around the Caymans.
Yeah, we
beat that with ONC.
We
I
beat
think
it on
74
101C, yeah.
In 2017? 2018.
2017.
2017, yeah. 17.
Oh, was that watching the touchdown for a cable lay?
May have been it. There was a lot of tasks. It wasn't
No,
for
that's
fun.
not a cable lay.
Yeah, it was not a cable lay, I don't think.
It
So
might-
that was with
yeah.
our partners, Ocean Networks Canada, who we generally do more engineering
I'm gonna
focused.
Oh, what do we have
Ooh.
back there?
So the columnar
Oh, it's
thing
just
is
a
kind of
rock.
beneath me and not really seeing much more. I'm
Okay.
wagging left, wagging right, not seeing much more this way.
All right. So it was kind of short-lived.
Yeah.
Yeah, just that one slab.
We can keep going up the slope here if you want, or whatever you think there, Emil.
Let's keep going towards 1925, towards the target.
Roger.
Okay.
We get a move in.
And then we'll have a pretty steep ascent from there.
And so, Emma, wasn't our
Bridge now.
recovery depth like 1100 or something? Are we
30
just going to
meters
try and
bearing
keep going up in the time
025.
allotted?
It's about 1150. That's the summit.
Oh, nowhere to go past there, huh?
Yeah, we could just, if we've got time, we can go along the summit. It seems to be flat for about 4 kilometers.
Ah,
It's
there you
kind
go.
of a geo.
Haven't heard that term in a while.
Yeah, I don't know if this one would have ever reached the surface. So I don't know if it's
Right, I'm not sure. But
or if it's
Titoff
but
seamount
it is quite flat though.
is a
isn't it?
geo.
So
Look at
Yeah.
could have
Play
been.
with this
Yeah,
tether for a second here.
may very well have been. We'll see. We'll know if we see carbonate up there.
Not really liking how the tether's sitting, so I'm going to try and spin around and see what happens.
Okay.
It wasn't bad, but I feel like it could be better.